like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. Today I'm doing my balance box. And this is, it's out of Canada, but it's $25 a month, I believe, and that includes shipping. And this is called their Discovery Box. And what it has is a little bit of all the other boxes. Now, I came home from the hospital, and I'm still struggling to breathe. But I came home from the hospital, and this was on my porch, just like this. So, you know, that's not their fault, that's shipping's fault. But anyway, you open it, and it looks like this. And there's a little bit to this for everything. I mean, they have a lifestyle box. They have, they have home goods. They have a bunch of different ones. Men's boxes, women's boxes. Okay, and the first thing I'm getting is the Crunch one, Harkin. It's just like a candy bar. And then you get your papers, but we couldn't read them if we had to. And then we got this brown rice and spirulina spaghetti, which I won't be trying. I would like to, though. So, yeah. So that's trash. I'll have to throw that in the trash. Okay, then we got green goo poison ivy. And this is for poison ivy. It soothes. But I would imagine it'd be good for bug bites too. Speaking of which, there's a bug bite thing on the summer FabFitFun thing. Which FabFitFun, we do make our choices Friday. If you're annual, you make your choices Friday. And the add-ons open up Thursday. Just so you know. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a tin. And it's just like a balm. Ew, it's kind of sticky. Has an odd smell to it. I bet it's beeswax. I bet it's the smell of beeswax I'm smelling in it. It says plants with purpose, so I don't know. We'll see. Kids will use that this summer, I'm sure. Then this is Sukin Australian Natural Signature Antioxidant Eye Serum. And I do like this brand. I've been using this for a while. And we'll just, because I do like this brand. Oh, that feels good. My hands are so dry from steroids. Trying to get better. Gonna have to find somebody to paint them in my yard because I don't think I can do it yet. Okay, then we got Vor Perfecting Prism Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Now, I have never heard of a color protecting pre-shampoo treatment. And it's that color. I have no idea. Stick that in the shower or something. We'll try it, but kind of just feels like a conditioner. That's kind of what it feels like. It feels like a conditioner. And then we have let's see what we have now. Maybe it's in bubble wrap. And I do wrap everything well. Okay. It's organic, whatever it is. And that's kind of their thing, you know. Okay, this is kombucha, balsamic, postbiotics, prebiotics, and live cultures. Fermented botanicals. It's a dressing. And it's Bioria. I don't know how I feel about that. Just the color of it. I don't know. But I've gotten a couple of balsamics from here. But anyway, that is today's video. And I'm probably going to go lay down and take a nap. Let's come on back. Join us. Hope people need up too. Bye.